Now this one looks a little different. We don't see any sets of parentheses, but we're going to factor. So important first step, always make sure it's equal to 0, which these both are. And then remember you look, now this, the a is 1, right? So we could just go ahead and look right at the last number, positive 8. It means they're both going to be the same symbols. And they add up to positive 6, so that means they have to both be plus in the parentheses. X plus something times x plus something. So if we're thinking the factors of 8 is either 1 times 8 or 2 times 4, which set adds up to that middle number 6, 2 and 4? And now it looks like the problems we were just doing. So we can do the zero product property, set each part with a variable equal to 0. So we'd say x plus 2 equals 0, and x plus 4 equals 0. Now, if you're solving x plus 2, you would subtract the 2. X equals negative 2. Here you would subtract the 4. X equals negative 4. Now these are both solutions in the original equation. If you were to check them, if you check negative 2, it's x squared plus 6x plus 8 equals 0. Negative 2 squared is 4. 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. 4 minus 12 is negative 8. Plus 8 is 0. So you end up with 0 equals 0. It's going to be the same story over here. If you put in negative 4, negative 4 squared is 16. 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. 16 minus 24 is negative 8. Plus 8 is 0. So 0 equals 0. Cool. All right. So it's always a good idea, if you do have extra time, check it in the original equation. Over here, x squared minus 8x minus 48. This one ends in minus. When it ends in minus, you know it has to be one positive and one negative. Now, since they add up to negative 8, that means our bigger number will go with the minus. So we're looking for a set initially that is 8 apart. So 1 times 48, 2 times 24, 3 times 16, 4 times 12. Those are 8 apart. But we'll finish out our factors. Or 6 times 8. So 4 and 12, it would have to be minus 12 plus 4. And we can set up our two equations. X plus 4 equals 0. X minus 12 equals 0. How do you solve x plus 4? You subtract the 4. X equals negative 4. How do you solve the x minus 12? You add the 12. X equals 12. Feel free to substitute those back into the original equation and check it. They both work out. Now let's turn it up a little notch with the factoring. Let's go to some more difficult ones.